Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. On today's A Little Extra Pixie Dust, we're whipping up a cocktail. We are going to make a peanut butter s'mores old fashioned. This cocktail can be found during the holiday times at Coronado Springs at Three Bridges Bar and Grill at Villa del Largo. To start, I have a glass. To that glass, I'm going to add some peanut butter whiskey, some Godiva dark chocolate core, some toasted marshmallow beverage syrup, the same stuff you'd use in a coffee or anything else, any other kind of drink, and a splash of orange bitters. I'm going to give this a little stir, get everything nice and mixed together, and then I'm going to top it with just a little marshmallows just to make it a little bit of fun since it is a s'mores drink. And there you have it, a peanut butter s'mores old fashioned. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.